Welcome to a journey through time, exploring the pivotal moments that shaped a nation. This is the story of Canada's Confederation, a defining chapter in its history. Before 1867, British North America was a collection of separate colonies, each with its own challenges. The idea of uniting these colonies into a single, stronger entity began to take root. The mid-19th century brought a complex political climate to British North America. There was a growing desire for greater autonomy and economic stability among the colonies. External pressures also played a crucial role, pushing the colonies towards unity. The American Civil War, raging just south of the border, highlighted the vulnerability of divided colonies. Adding to the tension were the Fenian raids, incursions by Irish-American nationalists seeking to pressure Britain. These threats underscored the urgent need for a stronger, unified defense and a common identity. From these challenges emerged visionary leaders who would champion the cause of Confederation. Sir John A. Macdonald, a brilliant lawyer and politician, became a central figure. Georges Cartier, a powerful voice from Quebec, advocated for provincial rights within a federal structure. And George Brown, a passionate reformer and journalist, pushed for political change. The first major step was the Charlottetown Conference in September 1864. Delegates from the maritime provinces and Canada met to discuss a potential union. Initial discussions focused on the vision for a united colony, laying the groundwork for future talks. The success of Charlottetown led to the Quebec Conference just a month later, in Quebec City. Delegates drafted these resolutions proposed a federal system with a strong central government and provincial powers. They covered everything from legislative powers to the structure of the judiciary. The final step was the London Conference, held in England from 1866 to 1867. Here, Canadian delegates met with British officials to finalize the terms of union. The result was the British North America Act, passed by the British Parliament. This landmark legislation would officially create the Dominion of Canada. The BNA Act established a federal system, dividing powers between the central and provincial governments. It outlined the responsibilities of each level, ensuring a balance of authority. A parliamentary system, modeled after Britain's, was adopted, with a House of Commons and a Senate. The Act also affirmed the role of the Crown, maintaining ties with the British monarchy. This comprehensive legal framework laid the foundation for a new, self-governing dominion. It was a monumental achievement, creating a nation from diverse colonies. Finally, on July 1st, 1867, the Dominion of Canada was formally proclaimed. Celebrations erupted across the new nation, marking a historic day. The initial 4 provinces were Ontario, Quebec, Nova Scotia, and New Brunswick. These provinces formed the core of the new Canadian Federation. However, the birth of a nation also brought immediate challenges. Integrating diverse regions and cultures required ongoing effort and compromise. Confederation was not a static event, but the beginning of a continuous journey. Over the following decades, Canada expanded westward, welcoming new provinces and territories. Manitoba joined in 1870, followed by British Columbia in 1871, and Prince Edward Island in 1873. This ongoing process of nation-building involved overcoming vast geographical distances. It also meant integrating diverse populations, including indigenous peoples and new immigrants. Confederation's legacy is profound, shaping Canada's identity and governance. It created a democratic nation, committed to peace, order, and good government. Today, Canada stands as a testament to the vision of its founders, a vibrant, diverse country, united by shared values and a rich history. The story of Confederation continues to inspire, reminding us of the power of unity. Thank you for joining us on this historical journey.